Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Spotify tour mini requests. To know how to fix or how to solve Spotify tour mini requests, you should just go to settings. Here on this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you will enter to the window of Spotify. When you'll find this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. You will find here this sign of clear data. Don't click here because that can make errors or problems on your app. And then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.